Hello everyone, and you are welcome once more to Barine's Kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how I made my crab stew. So in here sorry about that. In here I'm adding 2 cooking spoons of very nice vegetable oil, and I'm going to allow this to heat up. I'm also going to add 2 cooking spoons of palm oil. You need to have good palm oil to achieve this particular stew, and I'm going to allow this to heat up a bit. I'll just leave it to heat up, and into this heated oil I'm going to throw in a piece of ginger, and I'm also going to throw in my chopped onions, and I'm going to add my pepper and tomatoes. So I have about 6 big tomatoes chopped in big sizes, and then I blended about 7 habanero pepper, hot ones. So I steamed it until the water was dry, and I'm just pouring everything in. Wow, the aroma that the ginger has just given to this sauce is amazing. I'm going to allow this to cook for just 15 minutes on a medium heat, and this has been cooking for about 15 minutes. So I'm throwing in my crabs that has been washed properly. I'm going to be leaving a video on how I achieve this clean crabs. So what I really want is to have these legs in it. Yeah, I'm just going to stir this. So I'm going to leave this for 10 more minutes. Okay guys, it's time for us to add just a sprinkle of my pepper soup spice, sprinkle of that, and I'm going to add pepper, some dry pepper, a sprinkle also. I'm going to add seasoning cube, I will be adding some curry powder, and I'm going to add some thyme. Now it's time for me to stir this whole stuff together. I will be adding a sprinkle of scent leaf to this. Now this is my twist to it. You can totally skip this, but I just love the taste it gives to this stew. And I'm going to sprinkle some salt to taste. And now I'll just leave this for 5 minutes, and that's it. So guys, this is it. My crab stew is ready. That's as easy as A, B, and C. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching this video. So I actually left it for 10 minutes because I added the spices late, and I want everything to combine properly, everything to soak inside each other. Thank you so much. Please click the subscribe button. Please share this video, leave your comment. I really want to read comments. Thank you, and stay blessed.